Don't you? I don't like it. Sorry, kaya put him in a rear naked chokehold. I was thinking, it's over. Short numbers. Oh! Some ground and pound.
No, I'm on my way to a party. Stop bothering me. I'm gonna go now. Bye. You know what? We don't even want to hear about your mom's day because we're at a party and, you know, we don't want to hear about your problems. I'm sorry. It's my party time, you know. Yeah, that's all. We're at a party. No. Leave your troubles at home because, you know, you're with your girls and, you know, we're going to go talk to those guys later on and you don't need to worry about yourself like I do. My party is done. Hi. Oh my God. Oh, I don't know, girl. Hello. Talking to Ash. I thought we were... Oh, I'm okay. I just got into a argument with my mom and it's okay. Can I come back later? I don't know. Yeah. Okay. What? My friend Ashley. Ashley? I know. You're such a weirdo. She helps with my homework. Oh, don't go with your homework. I don't know her. Who does that care? You don't need help with your homework. I don't know why you want to hang out with a girl like that and stuff. She helps me out. Yeah, but you have us. You can do that. You're really a weirdo. You know she is. Come on, just admit it. She's weird. Come on. Gotta do for that. Her clothes? Come on now. Yes. Well, yesterday we studied at Starbucks and I have to give her rifle. Guess what? What? She didn't pay for gas. Did you? Yeah. No, she doesn't know how much gas is. You better go and talk her. But that's okay, because I was only using her for this. Well, at least you got something out of it. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, anyway. So what are you guys going to do after the party? I don't know yet. Yeah. Don't talk to your mom. Don't talk to her.
What you doing after this, man? I don't know, man. What's going on after this? I'm playing, man. No. I was like, man. Think about it. What? What you mean, man? How often do we get together like this? No, I don't talk to you. Oh, you're drinking. Come on, man. Oh, what you gonna do? I got church after this, man. Oh, church. What? Yeah. Come on, just come back like an hour or two or something, man. Hang out for a little bit. Oh, my house. Memories, man. Even the girls are coming too. So you guys are coming too, right, man?
So what? That's why Angela's going. Yeah, Angela. Why actually? I don't know. We're gonna trade. I don't know.
Party. You know, you guys are the only two people not coming, man. Everyone else is gonna be there. I'm sorry, man.
Whatever. I want to party, so if you guys want to go, then whatever. You guys can go, guys. You guys are better.
What the hell just happened there, man? I can't believe I just did that. I don't know, man. They say they're my friends, but They forced me to drink. They get me, after I told them that I don't want to do that stuff anymore, that I'm done with that, done with everything. They give me crap about coming late even though they know, they don't even bother to ask if I what I'm doing, what I was doing before that, why I'm tired, why I'm stressed out. They don't know about what my family wants from me, what I want for myself. They don't care. They just, I don't know. And now they just ditched me. And I can't go to that party because they think I'm a loser. But I'm supposed to go to church after this? After I just drank, after I just dissed my friend and his girl?
What the hell? How can I be so mean to my mom? She does everything for me. All she's done is just take care of me and do what's best for me. And I treat her like she's nothing. I can't believe I can do that to her. You know, she doesn't deserve it. And I have so much to give back to her, but I don't. And those friends, they're not even my friends. They can't even listen to my problems. Who can I talk to? They won't even let me talk to Ashley. If she wanted to hear me out.